Hi, I'm Chris Mellowship and I'm the Technical Sales Manager for BenQ UK, and we're going to talk to you today about some of the latest features in our range of panels. The first one we're going to have a look at today is EWwrite4 4.0. If you have one of the premium models, you can use the pens which have NFC chips at the end of the pens. Simply hold one of the colours to the NFC sensor on any input and it will launch straight into EWwrite4 4.0. In EWwrite4 4.0 you have a range of backgrounds, and on the premium models you also have templates, music sheets, graph paper and such like that. On top of that you also have your colours. Now you can use the tips of the pens to change colour, or you can simply select the relevant colour on the screen. We also now feature handwriting recognition, and shape recognition. We also have a range of powerful tools to be used in the classroom. You have a calculator which you can make bigger if you want to write longer equations. Simply write the equals sign at the end to complete the formula. We also have a geometry tool which enables you to draw shapes and where you can highlight the angles when you're discussing with the classroom. We have our stopwatch, and we also have a timer. This can be used if you're doing tests or you wanted to have a particular time session in the classroom environment. We also have a scoreboard system which helpfully highlights whoever is in the lead. We have a random draw tool to enable you to randomly pick from 0 to 99. You can amend the numbers and the range as you see fit. And on our premium models we also have split screen canvas, which gives you 3 independent writing surfaces to be used in the classroom environment. We also now feature a question mode, which instead of having to write on every sheet, you can then paste to all. That means you then have 3 independent students writing their answers on the board at the same time. You can either delete that, save it to the onboard memory, or you can choose to share it. On the premium models, you'll be able to share via QR code, email and print. You will need to set up the email and print prior to using EWwrite. On the 553K and 653K, you're only able to share via QR codes such as this. And a brand new feature on EWwrite4 4.0 is the ability to import PowerPoint, Word and PDFs directly into the EWwrite4 tool. So this is now a PowerPoint slide which we can then write on. If we choose to save this, it will save it as a series of images as opposed to a PowerPoint slide. But sometimes you don't want to write over your whole presentation. In fact, sometimes you want to discuss around it. And that now means you've now got all this writing space here, here, and you can put what fantastic ideas you think are in the presentation. And again, if you choose to save that, that will then save it to the onboard memory. And anything you do choose to share, you'll be able to share via QR code, email or print on the premium models. On the 553K and 653K, the only option available is the QR code. I hope you found this video useful. Please check back to see more of our videos.